Hello everyone, welcome to CBSE Specialist. This is Archana Mittal. In this tutorial, we are going to do exercise 1.2 class 10 mathematics. तो मेरे अर्लियर ट्यूटोरियल में आपने देखा ही होगा, हमने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट की थी, वो कंप्लीट की थी. अब यहाँ पे हम सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे. फर्स्ट सम आस्क्स अस एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम नंबर. ये बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी सम है. आपको 140 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स. सो इफ आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस 140 एज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 7. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लीजिए, ये सारे ही प्राइम नंबर्स हैं क्योंकि मैंने 140 का यहाँ पे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया था. ये सारे प्राइम नंबर्स को अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ तो मुझे वापस से 140 ही आंसर मिलेगा. बेसिकली ये पूरा सम करने का रीज़न है कि आपको एक्सप्लेन किया जा सके कि व्हाट इज़ फंडामेंटल थियोरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक. इट स्टेट्स दैट एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर, आपको पता ही होगा, अ नंबर कैन बी ईदर प्राइम और कंपोजिट. प्राइम नंबर कैन बी डिवाइडेड ओनली बाय इटसेल्फ एंड नंबर 1, और कोई नंबर से वो डिविजिबल नहीं होता है. कंपोजिट नंबर इज़ द वन which is divided or divisible by itself, number 1, and also some other number. जैसे कि अगर मैं 140 का एग्जाम्पल लूँ, वो 140 से तो डिवाइड होगा ही, 1 से भी डिवाइड होगा और 2 से भी होगा, 5 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है और 7 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है. So this number is composite number. What fundamental theorem of arithmetic says is every composite number can be written as, इस 140 को मैं लिख सकती हूँ किस तरीके से, एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ प्राइम्स. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ प्राइम्स, ये प्राइम की पावर्स हैं. जैसे 2 का पावर यहाँ पे 2 है, 5 का पावर मैंने लिखा नहीं है, बट जब कुछ भी नहीं लिखा तो इट इज़ 1. 7 का पावर 1 है. तो आई हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड दिस 140 एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ प्राइम्स, एंड दिस फैक्टराइजेशन इज यूनिक. देखिए ये यूनिक है. 140 नंबर के अलावा किसी और नंबर में ये वाला फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं आएगा. आप 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 5 इंटू 7 कभी भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल रिसीव द सेम नंबर एज 140 ओनली. अगर मुझे 141 चाहिए तो उसका ये प्राइम फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो चेंज हो जाएंगे, ये बिल्कुल नहीं रहेंगे. सो आई कैन दिस फैक्टराइजेशन इज़ यूनिक apart from the order in which the prime numbers occur. ये जो prime numbers है, numbers तो यही रहेंगे, but I can change its order. Like I can write 7 first. Here I have written as 2 square into 5 into 7. I can even write this as 7 into 2 square into 5. Order can be changed of these numbers, but these numbers will remain same. Similarly, we have to solve for 156. 156 का भी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. दिस 156 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 इंटू 13. 3825 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 3 स्क्वायर इंटू 5 स्क्वायर इंटू 17. 5005 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 5 इंटू 7 इंटू 11 इंटू 13. 7429 as 17 into 19 into 23. The purpose of this sum is to explain you fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Please keep this in mind. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic is very important from exams point of view also. Moving forward to next sum. Second sum of exercise 1.2. The question is, find LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of numbers. मुझे numbers given है 26 and 91. First I will find out HCF of these two numbers, then LCM of these two numbers, then I'll find product. मतलब 26 और 91 को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर निकलेगा दैट इज़ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स, और मैं वेरीफाई करूँगी कि दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू और नॉट. HCF होते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर्स, LCM होता है all the factors, but common factors is taken once only. So let us start. Firstly, let us understand this concept. It's for any two positive integers, कोई भी दो positive integers हैं, we have to keep this thing in mind that this is applicable only for positive integers and not for negative integers. Negative integers होंगे तो this will not be, this is not possible. This is not, will not hold good. HCF of any two positive numbers, यहाँ पे A और B positive integers हैं. HCF of two numbers multiplied by LCM of two numbers is equals to product of numbers. अगर मुझे HCF of A and B चाहिए तो I can also find it out as product of numbers divided by LCM of numbers. अगर LCM of A and B ढूंढना है तो I can even find it out as product of numbers divided by HCF of two numbers. On prime factorizing 26 and 91, I get 26 as 2 into 13, 91 as 7 into 13. As 13 is the common number here, this becomes my HCF. All others become my LCM. 2 into 7. As 13 is common for both the numbers, I'll take it as one. I'll take it once only in case of LCM. My LCM becomes 2 into 7 into 13. That is 182. Now first I will find product of LCM and HCF. LCM was 182, HCF was 13. That comes out to be 2366. Product of numbers, again 2366. I can say product of LCM and HCF is equals to product of numbers, hence proved. Similarly, for these two numbers 510 and 92. First, prime factorization of 510, then prime factorization of 92. I'll find the common factors here. Only one factor is common, 2. HCF becomes 2. Common factors are taken once. Uncommon factors are taken once. So 3 into 5 into 17. Here 3 into 5 into 17. For 92, 2 and 23 is uncommon. That is also taken 2 into 23. Only thing we have to keep in mind is for LCM, common factors are taken once and uncommon factors are taken as it is. So I got LCM as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. I got it as 23,460. Now I'll try to verify product of LCM and HCF is equals to product of numbers. Product of numbers will be 510 into 92, 46,920. Product of LCM into HCF is again 46,920. Hence proved. Similarly, few more sums can be solved like this. 336 and 54. Again, prime factorization of 336 and 54. Common factors, we have two common factors here. 2 and 3. HCF will be 2 into 3, 6. LCM, common factors will be taken once and uncommon factors will be taken as it is. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. सब multiply करके I got 3024. This is LCM. Now verifying that the product of LCM and HCF is equals to product of numbers. I got product of HCF and LCM as 18,144. Product of numbers as again 18,144. Hence proved. Third question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. Three numbers given are 12, 15 and 21. 12 prime factorization. Firstly, 12 can be written as 2 into 6. This 6 is not a prime number, it's a composite number. So it can again be rewritten as 2 into 3. So prime factors of 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 15 will be 3 into 5, as these both are prime numbers. So further कुछ भी नहीं prime factorization हो सकता. 21 can be rewritten as 3 into 7. Here I have written prime factors. One number is common, 3. 3 is present in 12. 3 is present in 15. 3 is present in 21. 3 is common number, so HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. For LCM, common factors will be taken as ones. Uncommon factors will be taken as it is. We'll start with the smaller number 2 into 2. All the 3 will be taken just once. 5 into 7. That comes out to be 420. Similarly, for these three numbers, you can just go through the answer here. As they do not have any common factor, HCF will be 1. All the numbers will be multiplied for LCM. Moving to the next sum, we are given HCF of two numbers 306 and 657 as 9. We have to find LCM of 306 and 657. So as you remember, in the earlier sum, we did this, that in case we are given HCF and the two numbers, LCM will be product of numbers divided by its HCF. So product of numbers is 306 into 657. Divide by HCF, given is 9. Whatever we get is LCM, 22,338. So till fourth sum we did it in this tutorial. For fifth, sixth and seventh sum, we'll continue it in the next tutorial. Kindly continue watching. Thank you.